All right, lesson 4, exit ticket. This was all about using numbers in different forms. So we have our standard form, which is just the way you normally see numbers. We have our unit form, which is written like 8 thousands to ones. It has a digit and a word. We have our expanded form, which is like our addition problem. And we have our word form, where we actually write out every single word when we are writing our number. And that's important, again, when you grow up and you have your own checkbook, you're gonna have to write checks using word form and standard form, both, so you make sure that no one tries to steal your money. Use the place value chart below to complete the following. A, label the units on the chart. Got it. So you all know this. We've been doing a really good job with this. The more you do it, the more automatic it's going to become, and pretty soon you're going to be able to do it without even thinking about it. 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. Hopefully one day you will have that much money in your bank account, and then you can send me a pretty present. Write the number 800,000 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 2 in the place value chart. Okay, so I'm going to start with my biggest number, 800,000. I'm going to go in my 100,000 place and put an 8. 6,000. I'm going to go in my thousands place and put a 6. 300. I'm going to go to my hundreds place and put a 3. 2. I'm going to go into my ones place and put a 2. Now, I have these spaces here. If there's a space between numbers, you need to put a 0 as a placeholder, because there are no 10,000s and no 10s in that number. Write the number in word form. Okay, so I'm going to look. Here's where I would normally put my comma. So how many thousands total do I have? I have 806,302 in like my ones. So I'm going to write it. 806,302. What am I missing? I'll give you a couple seconds to figure it out. If you said the comma, you're right. Where does it go? Same place it would go in the number. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3. We don't need to put a comma there because there's nothing in front of it. 806,000, comma, 302. Write 160,582 in expanded form. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to actually make a little place value chart to kind of help me out. So I have my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So let's see, 160,000. 160,000. 582. 582. Okay, so I know that 100,000s, 100,000 is 100,000. 6 10,000s is 60,000. 0 tens is, I thought that was tens because I abbreviated. 0 thousands is nothing, so I don't put anything. 5 hundreds is 500. 8 tens is 80. 2 ones is 2. To do expanded form, I add all these together. 100,000 plus 60,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 2. That is the number in expanded form. Check your work and see if you had everything correct. Whatever you did not have correct, fix it so that next time you do it, you'll know what to do.